Decorative caps for toilet bolts are small snap-on covers that hide the exposed ends of closet bolts after the toilet is installed. These caps are primarily cosmetic, but they also offer minor protective benefits and simple installation steps. They snap over the threaded ends of the bolts after the nuts are fully tightened and are usually made of plastic, chrome-plated metal, or brass. Choose a material that matches visible fixtures and resists corrosion in damp bathroom air. To install, tighten the nuts until the toilet is secure and level, then press the cap straight down until it clicks, ensuring it does not force the bolt to loosen. If you need to remove one later, gently pry from the edge with a non-marring tool and lift off to avoid scratching the floor or porcelain. Although they do not create a watertight seal or prevent leaks from the toilet base, they keep the bolt ends from contacting cleaning solutions and water on the floor, which reduces the chance of surface rust transferring onto tile or grout. For long-term care, periodically remove and inspect the bolts for corrosion and replace corroded bolts with stainless steel or brass versions to avoid staining and maintain structural integrity. People commonly think caps stop toilet leaks, but they do not form a seal at the gasket or flange level, so inspect the wax or rubber seal and flange if you see water. Another frequent issue is installing the caps before the nuts are fully tightened, which can mask a loose toilet. Always tighten first, then cap. A third concern is plastic caps cracking or discoloring from cleaners, so pick a metal or higher quality cap if you use bleach-based or abrasive cleaners and replace any that show damage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we share experiences and recommendations related to projects like toilet installations. We help contractors find work by allowing them to list services and participate in our forums to build reputation and respond to homeowner questions.